Hi guys, Adam here from ADM Motors and Nuts About 4 Drive. Wanted to show you another use or another way that we can actually winch. What we've actually got set up at the moment is my 4-wheel drive on a hill that's simulating it's in a position where we need to winch it out of there. And we've actually we're running a double line pull at this stage on the winch. So what you can see again is, as I said in the last episode, my winch is actually cable, not synthetic rope. Lots of advantages and disadvantages for both, but mine happens to be cable. Either way, it's still a winch and it still pulls quite nicely. What we have set up here is literally a double line pull, which we're actually running through a snatch block on the floor here. The snatch block is then connected to a tree trunk protector. Again, last week's episode we discussed the tree trunk protector around the base of a really healthy tree to keep it low and make sure we don't pull the tree out of position. The advantages of running a double line pull is it actually will halve the load on the winch. It also halves the speed of the actual pull of the winch in that as well. But if for some reason it's something that the winch is starting to struggle with, then a double line pull like this will actually make the winch a lot easier. To set it up safely, again, tree trunk protector rated to 8,000 kilograms. Running through a snatch block, which is also a rated snatch block in that as well. From there, running the snatch block to the tree trunk protector through use of a bow shackle, which is rated to 4.7 tonne. We have the winch cable going up through the snatch block, and it's protected again from 2 winch dampeners. We've got 1 dampener on each side of the cable. The hook for the actual winch runs all the way back to the 4-wheel drive, and it's running to a rated 5,000 kilogram or 5 tonne road safe recovery point on the front of my 4-wheel drive. So all in all, everything that we're doing is protected and rated to try and keep safety as a high priority as we can. Once we start winching again, obviously anybody who's not involved in the winch, out of the way, and then we'll see how we go from there. So let's see how we pull the 4-wheel drive this time around. So guys, as I said before, in the last episode, it's always best to winch with the engine running, so that way the alternator's giving the battery hand, you're not relying completely on the battery. Need to make sure that everybody is completely out of the way of the winch. So everybody clear. Let's see how we go. Winching. Hi guys, so you can see now after doing the double line pull, the 4-wheel drive itself was in a lot more control because the winch was actually a bit slower. It also didn't make the winch work as hard as it did previously in the single line pull. So where possible, a double line pull is always better. Once you're up and you're secure and everything's safe, again, check your equipment for damage before you put it all away. Roll spool the winch cable back in nice and neat on the actual drum, ready for next time. Otherwise you'll get there next time and it's going to be knotted and won't be able to be used. Apart from that, make sure you're safe out there, stay on all fours and go nuts.